upon a time, in the enchanting Kingdom of Everbright, there lived a very little princess named Barbie. She was not an ordinary princess, she had a heart as pure as gold and a spirit full of adventure. Despite her small stature, Princess Barbie had a big heart and an even bigger imagination. Everbright was a land of beauty and magic. The kingdom was nestled in a lush valley surrounded by rolling hills and majestic mountains. The sun always shone brightly, and the air was filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers. The people of Everbright were kind and cheerful, always greeting each other with warm smiles. Princess Barbie lived in a grand castle made of sparkling white marble, with tall towers that reached for the sky. Her room was at the very top of the tallest tower, and from her window, she could see the entire kingdom spread out before her like a beautiful tapestry. She loved to sit by the window and watch the birds flying by, dreaming of far-off places and daring adventures. One bright morning, as Princess Barbie was playing in the royal garden, she heard a soft, melodious voice calling her name. She turned around and saw a tiny, shimmering fairy fluttering above a rosebush. The fairy had wings that sparkled like diamonds and a dress made of delicate flower petals. "Hello, Princess Barbie," the fairy said with a smile. "My name is Faye, and I am the guardian of the magical forest. I have come to seek your help." Princess Barbie's eyes widened with excitement. "How can I help you, Faye?" she asked eagerly. Faye explained that the magical forest, a mystical place hidden deep within the kingdom, was in trouble. The heart of the forest, the ancient and powerful Tree of Wishes, was losing its magic. Without the Tree of Wishes, the forest would wither away, and all the magical creatures living there would lose their homes. Only someone with a pure heart and a brave spirit can save the Tree of Wishes, Faye said. "Will you come with me, Princess Barbie, and help restore the magic to the forest?" Without a moment's hesitation, Princess Barbie agreed. She knew that she had to help, no matter what dangers lay ahead. Faye waved her tiny wand, and in an instant, they were surrounded by a swirl of sparkling light. When the light faded, Princess Barbie found herself standing at the edge of the magical forest. The forest was unlike anything she had ever seen. The trees were tall and majestic, with leaves that glowed in every color of the rainbow. Flowers of all shapes and sizes bloomed along the path, and the air was filled with the sound of birds singing and the gentle rustling of leaves. As they ventured deeper into the forest, they explained that the Tree of Wishes was hidden in the heart of the forest, protected by powerful enchantments. To reach it, they would have to face several challenges and prove their worthiness. Their first challenge came in the form of a wide, sparkling river that flowed through the forest. There was no bridge, and the water looked deep and swift. Princess Barbie was unsure how they would cross, but Faye assured her that they had to use their wits and believe in themselves. Princess Barbie looked around and noticed a family of beavers nearby, busy building a dam. She approached them and politely asked for their help. The beavers, sensing her kind heart, agreed and quickly constructed a sturdy bridge made of branches and logs. Princess Barbie and Faye thanked the beavers and crossed the river safely. Next, they came to a dark, tangled thicket filled with thorny bushes and twisted vines. The path was completely blocked, and it seemed impossible to get through. But Princess Barbie remembered the small, jeweled dagger her mother had given her for protection. She carefully used the dagger to cut away the thorns and clear a path. As they moved forward, the thicket gradually transformed into a beautiful, sunlit grove filled with fragrant flowers. Their journey continued, and they faced many more challenges. They encountered a fierce dragon that guarded a precious gem needed to restore the Tree of Wishes magic. Princess Barbie bravely approached the dragon and spoke to it with kindness and respect. She discovered that the dragon was not truly fierce, but lonely and misunderstood. By showing the dragon compassion, she gained its trust, and it willingly gave her the gem. Their journey had been long and arduous, and Princess Barbie and Faye decided to rest before continuing on their way. They found a peaceful clearing in the forest, where the soft grass was like a plush carpet and the air was filled with the sweet scent of blooming wildflowers. As they sat down, Faye began to tell Princess Barbie more about the history of the magical forest and the Tree of Wishes. Long ago, Faye began, the Tree of Wishes was planted by the first fairy queen, Ilara. She used her powerful magic to create a tree that could grant the purest wishes of those with kind hearts. The tree flourished and became the heart of the forest, its magic spreading to every corner, giving life and enchantment to all who lived here. Princess Barbie listened intently, her eyes wide with wonder. "But what happened to the tree?" she asked. Faye sighed softly. As time passed, the magic of the tree began to fade. Some say it was because people stopped believing in the power of kindness and compassion. Others think it was because the tree was never meant to last forever without the help of those who truly cared. That's why we need someone like you, Princess Barbie, to restore its magic. Feeling even more determined, Princess Barbie and Faye resumed their journey. They knew the path ahead would be challenging, but they were ready to face whatever came their way. As they walked, they encountered various magical creatures. There were talking animals, playful sprites, and even a group of unicorns grazing in a meadow. Each creature greeted Princess Barbie and Faye warmly, offering their support and encouragement. Princess Barbie felt a sense of camaraderie and unity among the forest's inhabitants, strengthening her resolve to save their home. One evening, as the sun was setting, casting a golden glow over the forest, Princess Barbie and Faye came across a small, hidden village. The village was home to the woodland elves, a reclusive but wise group of beings who were known for their knowledge of ancient magic. The chief of the woodland elves, an elder named Eldrin, welcomed them and invited them to stay the night. Around a crackling fire, Eldrin shared stories of the forest's past and the many heroes who had come before them. He also gave Princess Barbie a special gift, an amulet that would protect her from dark magic. This amulet has been passed down through generations, Eldrin explained. It will shield you from harm and guide you when you need it the most. Grateful for the elves' hospitality and the precious gift, Princess Barbie and Faye continued their journey the next morning. The challenges grew more difficult as they approached the heart of the forest. They faced enchanted storms that tried to blow them off course, illusions that played